Watch this video until the very end. I promise you, the ending will surprise you. Today is not just a story. Today is a real transformation. My name is BigFoot, and if you've been on my channel for a while, you know, usually I share stories, short thoughts, and meanings. But today I decided to do something different. Today, I'm going to a place most people avoid, an abandoned junkyard, a metal graveyard, a place where things wait for their final moment. All around me, rust, silence, forgotten years, and in the middle of all this chaos, I find a car, a BMW i4, once a dream, now almost scrap metal. It has been standing here for many years, covered in dirt, eaten by rust, holes in the doors, flat tires, an interior where time simply left and never came back. And in that moment, I realized something. How many things in our lives look exactly like this, broken on the outside, forgotten on the inside, but still alive. I decide to take this BMW away from here, not for parts, not for scrap, but to give it a second chance. I tow it to my garage, and the journey begins. Slow, quiet, step by step. I wash it. I remove years of dirt. I take off rusted badges. I strip the old paint. I repair the holes that didn't appear overnight, but grew with time, just like in people. Every movement without rush, every stage with patience. Painting, polishing, interior cleaning, replacing worn parts, and slowly, from something everyone gave up on, a car is reborn. When I look at it in the end, I don't just see a BMW i4. I see proof that if you don't give up, almost anything can be restored, even what the world already abandoned. I sit behind the wheel, start the engine, and drive out of the garage, not just in a car, but in the result of patience. If this story touched you, leave a like, write a comment about what you felt, and don't forget to subscribe, because 90% of people watch my videos and forget to subscribe. More BigFoot stories are coming, stories about how even something abandoned can become strong again. See you in the next video.